Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install CurseForge for Minecraft mods and mod packs. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, as you can see here, I already have the Modpacks app. Now, if you want to check this video out, we already created a video about this one. It's pretty awesome as well. So for this video, open up a new browser, okay, or open up your browser and find CurseForge app. Okay, hit on enter. Now go and click on download CurseForge app right here. Now download standalone. Okay, now save it on your desktop or wherever you want, and then you can just go ahead and click on CurseForge right here, or find the folder where it's downloaded and just double click on it. Now once this window opens, just go ahead and click on next, accept right here, hit on next, wait for it to load, hit on no thanks right here, and here we now have the CurseForge app. So just wait for it to fully load, then just go ahead and update it right here. If it needs an update, of course, and just wait for it. Now go ahead and close the prompts right here, and then once done, as you can see here, I already have RLCraft installed from my version of Minecraft. Now first up, go ahead and go to settings right here and configure this however you want. You have here your add-ons, language, themes, privacy, advanced. Now you have a Minecraft right here. You can go ahead and allocate the resolution and also the allocated memory. As you can see here, I have 32 gigs of RAM. Well, I can just go ahead and use half of it, which is 16. So it will run my game or instance smoother. And then once that's done, just close this one. And then you could go ahead and go to Modpacks right here, or browse, or even discover. And then you'll have all of these mod packs. Okay, when you go ahead over to browse, you can just go ahead and download right here, whatever you want. Or you could go ahead over to this drop down and just install a single mod and then play with it. Okay, if you want mod packs, just for example, I'm going to go ahead and use Horizons right here. I'm going to install it. Now, as you can see here, it's all done. Well, all you got to do is just hit on play. Wait for it to load. Go ahead over to Java Edition, installations. Here we have Horizons and hit on play. And after that, play. All right, so let's just go ahead and click on proceed right here. And here we have the Horizons mod pack. Okay, just create a new world and enjoy. Now, the other thing that I've mentioned earlier, well, that's just basically creating your own instance or creating your own mod pack. All right, so click on my mod packs right here, and then you could go ahead and click on create. Okay, click on create, give it a name, for example, my mods. Okay, select the game version that you want, for example, 1.21.11, and the mod loader. You could go ahead and use vanilla as well. Okay, let's say vanilla. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on create. Now here we have my mods. So what you can do, this one right here is fresh. You can just go ahead and add in some content and add in more and more, whatever you want. Okay, so let's say I'm going to go ahead and download more mobs. I understand. Better days, falling trees, guns, okay, healing bed, player corpses, whatever you want. Just wait for the process to finish. You will be able to see it right here. So it says completed. Well, we're good to go. Let's go ahead over to home, Minecraft, my mod packs, my mods, hit on play. And by the way, if you want to access each of its mod folders, well, you can just right click and click on open folder. Okay, you have mods, resource packs, and shader packs. So hit on play and enjoy. And that is how you download and install CurseForge for Minecraft mods and mod packs. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.